Well, now that we are getting closer to the winter season and the climate clues that will dominate our weather this winter are becoming more clear, it was time to re-crunch some of the numbers, and here is a look at an update of my winter forecast. This is how we like to see winter. Snow all around, cold outside, not watching rain wash away any minimal snow that we saw. Over the past 3 years, our snowfall has not been anywhere close to the normal of 32 inches. In fact, we have not seen an average snow year since 2005 to 2006, and we haven't seen an above average snow year since 2003 to 2004. It's been due in large part to La Nina, a cold water current in the eastern Pacific. It usually keeps our storm track well to the north and west of our area, meaning we are on the warm side of storms, which also means rain. This year, a moderate El Niño will be dominating the area. That is when we see a warming of the eastern Pacific waters, which tend to make the jet streams interact with each other. That creates more phasing, and in turn can create some pretty decent East Coast snowstorms. Here's an anomaly forecast for the El Niño over the next couple of months. Where we stand right now is in a weak El Niño, but as we move through the next couple of months, you can see by the trends, it does strengthen it into a moderate El Niño. This in turn will shift our storm track more off the coast this winter, and that could lead to some bigger East Coast snowstorms. I expect at least 50% of our snow to come from these coastal storms this winter, along with many other forecasters. Also, another moderate El Niño year, which is very memorable, was back in 93 to 94. This year, we saw the most snow on record in a season in the Lehigh Valley, with 82.2 inches. We didn't see much to start off the year. However, we finished the year. Almost all of our snow fell between January and March. Could that happen again this year? It certainly is possible. Not the 82.2 inches, but the same exact scenario. We have not seen a storm bring 6 inches of snow to the Lehigh Valley since February of 2007. But this year, I expect at least 3 storms with 6 or more inches of snow. One of those storms with 10 or more inches. After a mild month of November right now, we'll be seeing a pretty pleasant December as well, with a mix of mild and cold temperatures, a chillier end of the month indeed. That will lead to around normal snowfall, maybe slightly below, around 4 inches is what I expect. January, that's when things begin to change, a cold month with little relief from the chill, leading to well above average snowfall. As a coastal storm track gets going, we could be close to double the normal of 11 inches of snow. February, it looks different than when I first did the winter forecast. We will be seeing cold temperatures remain in February, setting up a pretty good chance at a major East Coast storm, leading to above average snow again, more than the normal of 9 inches. March, another change, a chilly month to start. It does not look like spring will come as earlier expected. Winter will be holding on, which will lead to near normal snowfall in March. Because of the addition of snow later in the season, I have upped the forecast totals to 40 to 45 inches, which is, of course, 10 above the average, which is about 32 inches.